Hong Kong will tighten travel and quarantine restrictions despite going more than 2 months without a local COVID-19 outbreak. The move will align the city with mainland China. Leader Carrie Lam insists opening to Beijing is more important despite growing calls from the financial sector to scrap the COVID-0 strategy. Roland Lim reports.
Hong Kong has currently one of the strictest quarantine policies in the world, with mandatory hotel stays as long as 21 days, even for fully vaccinated travellers. Mrs. Carrie Lam appealed for understanding from foreign businesses. On Monday, a survey conducted by the Asia Securities Industry and Financial Markets Association, or ASIFMA, found almost half of its members, including banks and asset managers, were considering moving staff out of the city due to uncertainty surrounding its travel restrictions. The city hasn't mapped out a timeline to reopen its borders and isn't planning to adopt a living with COVID strategy.
I can only say to those representing the financial sector that we have to look at it in context. The context is Hong Kong's primary advantage lies in being the gateway to the mainland of China. If businesses established in Hong Kong could not go into the mainland, I think it will significantly reduce the attraction of Hong Kong as an international business hub and an international financial center.
Mrs. Lam also said she's not worried about the city's quarantine measures harming the city's reputation as a global financial hub, adding that the number of foreign and mainland businesses with operations in Hong Kong has remained steady in 2020 and has increased by 9.7% since 2017. In order to satisfy Beijing over reopening its borders, Hong Kong has also decided to scrap most of its quarantine exemption arrangements. Diplomats, company directors and scientific researchers could previously avoid quarantine if authorities considered their activities to be in the interest of Hong Kong's economic development. That only leaves quarantine exemptions for those deemed absolutely essential, those providing emergency services or essential necessities such as truck drivers.
More than 96% of imported cases can be picked up by 7 days. And 99% of cases can be picked up by 14 days. And the remaining 1%, which is 100% from our past data, we can pick it up at the date 21, before 2021. So according to these simple statistics, we can show that the current quarantine measures is still effective in picking up cases which is imported from overseas.
The scrapping of exemptions is part of a list of suggestions given by mainland authorities when it comes to reopening the border. The other is the stepping up of close contact tracing measures. Hong Kong has already mandated the use of its Leave Home Safe app when it comes to entry into government buildings and hospitals. However, a timeline towards the opening of the borders has yet to be decided. Roland Lim, CNA, Hong Kong.